Good morning. On the last period we have started electrostatics. At that time we have seen some basic concept of electrostatics, that are concept of charging by conduction, concept of charging by induction, Coulomb's law in electrostatics, त्यानंतर factor form, dielectric constant, as well as principle of superposition of forces. Now today we have to see concept of charge density. Concept of charge density. Today we have to see about concept of charge density. Density, that is number of charges or quantity of charges. जसं आपण नेहमी हा फॉर्म्युला वापरतो, डेन्सिटी that is mass per unit volume. आपली बेसिक कन्सेप्ट डेन्सिटी that is mass per unit volume. तसं या ठिकाणी there are three types of charge densities. One, that is linear charge density. One more, that is areal or surface charge density. Surface charge density. And third one, that is volume charge density. Volume charge density. Linear charge density lambda, areal charge density rho, and volume charge density sigma, like this. There are different type of charge densities: linear charge density, areal or surface charge density, volume charge density. Suppose conductor is in the form of a wire. Suppose conductor is in the form of wire, then linear charge density is defined as the quantity of charge per unit length. Suppose conductor is in the form of plain sheet like this, then areal or surface charge density is defined as quantity of charge per unit surface area. And if conductor is in the form of solid material like this, then volume charge density is defined as quantity of charge per unit volume. Linear charge density, quantity of charge per unit length, and therefore its SI unit. SI unit becomes charge coulomb length meter. SI unit, charge coulomb area meter square. याच्या बाबतीमध्ये SI unit, charge coulomb volume meter cube, like this. Charge SI unit coulomb, length meter, area meter square, volume meter cube, like this. Now dimensions. Charge. What are dimensions of charge? That are I1, T1. We know that electric current I is nothing but quantity of charge per unit time. Standard definition. Electric current is defined as the quantity of charge flowing through conductor per unit time. Therefore charge is nothing but current into time. Therefore dimensions of charge I1 T1 divided by length, that is L1, and therefore dimensions of linear charge density that are L minus 1 plus 1 is a minus 1 M0 T1 I1 like this. Dimensions of surface charge density, फक्त इथं एरिया चार्ज तोच आहे, एरिया L2 वरती गेलं तर -2 L -2 M0 T1 I1. Dimensions of व्हॉल्यूम चार्ज डेन्सिटी, व्हॉल्यूम म्हणजेच लेनचा क्यूब, वरती गेलं तर -क्यूब, and therefore dimensions of volume charge density L -3 M0 T1 I1 like this. This is about charge density. There are different types of charge densities. What are different types? Linear charge density, areal charge density, volume charge density. Linear charge density, the quantity of charge per unit length. The quantity of charge per unit length of charge conductor is called as linear charge density. The quantity of charge per unit surface area of charge conductor is called as areal or surface charge density. The quantity of charge per unit volume of charge conductor is called as volume or volume charge density like this. This is about charge density. Now, about electric field intensity due to point charge. Electric field intensity. Electric field intensity. Suppose this one as charge plus Q. Any charge produces field around it. समजा या ठिकाणी हे स्पेस आहे, ह्या स्पेस पर्यंत समजा हे फील्ड आहे. फील्ड कशा पद्धतीने आहे? इफ अनदर टेस्ट चार्ज, सपोज टेस्ट चार्ज इज Q0, then this field exert force on that charge. ज्या स्पेस पर्यंत समजा हा एखादा चार्ज आहे, हा चार्ज काय करतो तर त्याच्या सभोवताली असं फील्ड तयार करतो, such that if any another test charge is brought in this field, then this field exert force. ज्या स्पेस पर्यंत युनिट टेस्ट चार्ज वरती फोर्स निर्माण होतो, ही जी स्पेस आहे ह्याला म्हणतात इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. व्हॉट इज इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड? द स्पेस surrounded by charge, समजा हा एखादा चार्ज आहे, याच्या सभोवताली असणारी ही जी स्पेस आहे, ती स्पेस सराउंडेड बाय चार्ज in which if any another test charge is brought, then it exert force. A space, ही एक स्पेस आहे, a space surrounded by charge in which if any another test charge is brought, then it exert force. Such a space is called as electric field. Such a space is called electric field. Electric field. What is electric field? What is electric field? the space surrounded by charge, the space surrounded by charge in which if any another test charge is brought, then it exerts force. Such a space is called as इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. मग या इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड मध्ये एखाद्या पर्टिक्युलर पॉइंटला किती फोर्स निर्माण होतो त्याला म्हणतात त्या पॉइंटला असणार त्याची इंटेन्सिटी. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेन्सिटी. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेन्सिटी electric field intensity at any point in electric field. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेन्सिटी समजा या ठिकाणी आपल्याला इंटेन्सिटी तयार करायची आहे. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेन्सिटी ॲट एनी पॉइंट इन इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड is defined as electrostatic force acting on unit test charge placed at that point. Electric intensity at any point in electric field is defined as the electrostatic force acting on a unit test charge. Now, SI unit. Force Newton, charge Coulomb. Force Newton, charge Coulomb, or it can be written as Volt per meter. Dimensions of electric intensity, that are dimensions of force divided by dimensions of charge. Dimensions of force, that are L1 M1 T minus 2. Dimensions of charge, that are I1 T1, and therefore finally dimensions becomes L1 M1 T minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 I minus 1. These are dimensions of electric charge किंवा इलेक्ट्रिक इंटेन्सिटी किंवा इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेन्सिटी. आतापर्यंत आपण दोन कन्सेप्ट पाहिल्यात. दोन कन्सेप्ट कोणते आहेत? दोन कन्सेप्ट बघा. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, a space surrounded by charge, in which if any another test charge is brought, then it exerts force on it. Such a space is called as electric field. मग या इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड मध्ये एखाद्या पर्टिक्युलर पॉइंटला त्याची इंटेन्सिटी किती असते? इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेन्सिटी ॲट एनी पॉइंट इन इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड is defined as electrostatic force acting on unit test charge placed at that point, that is force per unit charge. This is about electric field intensity. SI unit Newton per Coulomb or Volt per meter. Dimensions L1 M1 T minus 3 I minus 1. This is about electric field intensity. Now, expression of electric field intensity. expression of electric field intensity. पहले डिफरेंशियल को वापर करते आपण. व्हॉट इज इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी? Electric field intensity at any point electric field is defined as electrostatic force per unit charge. It is a vector directed from positive charge towards negative charge. Expression. See. Consider a charge plus Q situated in air or vacuum at O. Consider a charge plus Q is placed at O in air or vacuum. Let P be any point. Let P be any point at a distance r from O at which electric intensity is to be determined. See here. Consider a charge plus Q is placed at O in air or vacuum. Let P be any point at distance r from O at which electric intensity is to be determined. Let a unit test charge plus Q naught is placed at P. Let a unit test charge Q naught is placed at P. Then, by Coulomb's law in electrostatics, Coulomb's law in electrostatics, force acting on test charge. Force acting on test charge, that is F is equal to, force is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon into Q into Q naught divided by R square. This is electrostatic force acting on that charge. And therefore, electric intensity at point P. And therefore, electric intensity at P E is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon into पहले फॉर्मूला लिया E is equal to force per unit charge. Therefore, E is equal to force 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon into Q naught divided by R square divided by charge Q naught. हा फोर्स इथे घेतला आपण डिवाइड बाय Q naught get cancelled, and therefore electric intensity becomes 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon into Q divided by R square. This is an expression of electric intensity at any point. This is magnitude of electric intensity. This is an expression of magnitude of electric intensity. Okay. Now, in terms of vector, it can be written as electric intensity E is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon into Q divided by R square into, with the unit vector in the direction of force. This is unit vector directed along force. This is about electric intensity. Thus, electrostatic force is inversely proportional to square of distance, and electric intensity is also inversely proportional to square of distance. Thus, electrostatic force is inversely proportional to square of distance, and electric intensity is also inversely proportional to square of distance. If the graph of electric intensity or force with distance is plotted, the nature of graph is like this. This is about electric field intensity. Depending upon electric field, there are two types of electric fields, that are uniform electric field, and one more, that is non-uniform electric field. Depending upon intensity, electric field intensity, there are two types of electric fields, that are uniform electric field and non-uniform electric field. Uniform, suppose this one as a field. If magnitude and direction of electric intensity at every point in electric field is same, if magnitude and direction of electric intensity at every point in electric field is same, then such a electric field is called as uniform electric field. What is uniform electric field? If magnitude and direction of electric intensity, as well as direction of electric field intensity is same at all points in electric field, then such electric field is called as uniform electric field. It is represented by a set of equidistant parallel lines. It is represented by set of equidistant parallel lines like this. And non-uniform electric field, suppose these are some points. समजा याची इलेक्ट्रिक इंटेन्सिटी या डायरेक्शनला असेल, याची या डायरेक्शनला या पद्धतीनं. If electric intensity, if magnitude and direction of electric intensity, is different at different point, at different points. If magnitude as well as direction of electric field intensity is different at different points in electric field, then such electric field is called as non-uniform electric field. Two types of electric fields, that are uniform electric field and non-uniform electric field. What is uniform electric field? If magnitude and direction of electric intensity at every point in electric field is same, then such electric field is called as uniform electric field. But if magnitude as well as direction of electric intensity is different for different points in electric field, then such electric field is called as non-uniform electric field. This is about intensity and electric field. This is about intensity and electric field. Remaining part on next period. Okay.